In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Stick around if you'd like to know more. If you haven't already done so, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra supports 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is a low-power DDR5 type memory, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, or 256 gigabytes depending on what carrier you use, a micro SD slot, which supports up to a 1 terabyte micro SD card, and has a 7nm 64-bit octa-core processor running at 2.7 or 2.8 gigahertz, again depending on what carrier and whether it's international or the US version of the phone. Included in the box is a pair of AKG earbuds that use a USB-C interface, and Samsung seems to remove the headphone jack from the phone. You also get a USB-C power adapter. This thing has a pretty amazing array of camera options on there. There's 5 different cameras. For photo editing, for photo shooting, the highest resolution I've been able to get to take a photo at has been like 4000 by 1800, which is kind of strange considering it can do 8K video recording, but maybe I'm doing something wrong. But right now that's the highest I've been able to go. But it supports 8K video recording at 24 frames per second, 4K at 60, 1080p at 60, 720 at 30 for some reason. Other features are recording in HDR10 plus, hyperlapse, and live focus video. This phone has a 6.9-inch Quad HD Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a maximum resolution of 3200 by 1440 at 60 Hz or 2400 by 1080 at 120 Hz. Also supports 1600 by 720 at 120 Hz. It's considered an Infinity O display, 511 pixels per inch, HDR10 plus certified, with a maximum brightness of 1342 peak nits. So it's an excellent phone for watching HDR content on YouTube, for example. I'm not aware of any HDR games available on Android phone yet, but when those come down the pike, it'll be great for those as well. Figured this would be a good part of the video to just kind of show off how beautiful the display is on this thing, and this is footage from Doom Eternal from the last gaming video that I put up. Well, not the last one, but the one where I first tried out Doom Eternal, and you can see the game looks really incredible on here. But that said, if you guys have any questions or any comments you'd like to leave below, please go ahead and click the like button. Please consider subscribing to the channel, as that helps me out. I'm trying to hit that 1,000 mark. But thanks for watching. Talk to you guys again soon. Later.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.